Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have your square paper and a flat surface. Begin now. With the colored side down, fold the two diagonals crisply and unfold so locator creases form. Next, collapse into a preliminary base by bringing adjacent corners together. This forms a smaller layered square that gives you 4 working flaps. You do this because those layers let you shape wings, beak, and tail later. Once done, align all edges precisely and flatten strong creases so future steps. Now you transform the base into a hummingbird silhouette. Open the top flaps and make petal folds, lifting center layers to elongate the body. This concentrates paper for the tail and head. Use small reverse folds at the narrow end to form the head and a sharp beak. Reverse folds let you tuck paper inside cleanly. For the wings, pinch the side layers and valifold along their length to thin them and add an upward angle so the bird reads as mid-flight. Complete the model by refining angles and locking shapes. Spread the tail slightly and set the wings with a gentle dihedral so the bird balances when perched. Small S-curves in the neck add life. Use tiny inside reverse folds to sharpen the beak and tuck excess paper into the body for a tidy finish. If your paper crumples or creases won't hold, recrease along the existing lines with a fingernail or bone folder and work slowly to redistribute layers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.